Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new Apple Watch Series 6. I'm also going to be sharing my first impressions on the new Apple Watch. Also, I will be unboxing the new Apple Watch. So I hope you enjoy this video. Anyways, let's get in. So an interesting fact of this box is that it is a bit thinner. There is a subtle change to it. Apple just removed their 5-watt power brick to reach their carbon neutral goals for 2030. Anyways, yes, standard Apple packaging for their Apple Watch for the last 2 years. That very nice artistic look. And yeah, 2 boxes in the inside, the Apple Watch band and the Apple Watch itself. Inside the box, the Apple Watch is right on the side, along with some paperwork and a charger. And there's no 5-watt power brick again. First, let's talk about its design. On the outside, the Apple Watch Series 6 does look identical, but you're only looking at the front. On the back, the Apple Watch Series 6 features a new blood oxygen sensor. Let's zoom in on that blood oxygen sensor to see how that really works. It uses red and infrared light to determine the color of your blood. It shines red on your skin so that it can determine the color of your blood. At the end of that 15-second duration, you will get results. As you can see here, my mom is taking a reading on her Apple Watch, and right over here, she just has to press a button, and then for 15 seconds, she will get the result of her blood oxygen. So yeah, she got a 97%. She actually let me use the Apple Watch myself, specifically that feature. So I was able to use the blood oxygen for once, and I got a 100. We've also got another very special item, and that is the solo loop. Now, to match up with Apple's new hype, like the blood oxygen and the sleep tracking with the new Apple Watch Series 6, they also had to include something special, right? And that special thing is also the band. And right there is the solo loop. It just peels off like licorice. And you see how stretchable it is. I'll leave a link down below in the description if you want to get one for yourself. Anyways, right over here, here is the size 6 solo loop. And with this solo loop, it is actually customizable. So you can go on to Apple's website and actually change the style and the color of the solo loop. You can also change the material. So there are 2 different types of solo loops. There's a very comfortable silicone, a liquid silicone solo loop, and there's also a very comfortable braided solo loop. The braided solo loop is a bit more expensive, but if you're willing to sacrifice some more money, you can get the braided one as well. There are also new case color options for the Apple Watch Series 6 itself. For example, there's a really cool blue, sort of a darkish blue, and there's also a very nice product red, and there's even a very nice graphite color for the stainless steel models of the Apple Watch. Well, that was all I have to say about this thing in the impressions video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. Comment down below if you have ordered one for yourself or have already got one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.